Digitalization is essential for organizations to remain competitive and compliant in today's market. Not every business can transform its insurance technology stack in one go. At Charles Taylor, we've designed a set of digital modernization solutions that help you extract more value from your legacy systems. Rather than replace completely, our services are designed to complement your core systems, strengthening your operations with incremental and cost-effective enhancements. Our data analytics solution empowers insurers with real-time insights, boosting efficiency, accuracy, and customer satisfaction. Through digital experience modernization, we improve customer relationships and reduce insurers' workloads, minimizing costs and enhancing reporting. Our document and process management system removes complexity, improving collaboration and compliance. A legacy system upgrade provides an implementation framework to easily modernize legacy core systems. Using insurance fraud prevention, we minimize fraud while validating and expediting genuine claims. Modernize your digital infrastructure and enjoy the benefits of new technology at your own pace. Ready to innovate? Take the first step and contact us today.